So, welcome to this channel. Today I am going to show us how to create a site like this. This is a Kelu website. This Kelu website that I created recently for a client. Maybe some of you will know this website, and I created it within some few hours or some few minutes. So today I'm going to show us how I did this using AI. So the first thing you do is you go to the browser, ChatGPT, and then you specify the thing that you want to create. For example, you want to create a website for driving school or a portfolio or for a certain business. You can just type on ChatGPT. For example, let's create a driving school. So we go to ChatGPT and say, give me a prompt for a professional driving school website with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and then you wait. So as you can see, it is typing. So this is it, it is typing. Now you can copy this prompt because you are going to create this using an AI. You copy that until there, copy, that is Control C, and then now you go to your VS Code. This is our VS Code. So in our VS Code, we go to create a folder, and then we name it. For example, AA driving school. It is AAA driving school. So I think that is not visible. Maybe I can show us how you can write it. So again, it's not visible, but it's okay. Then now we go to create, select folder. That is it first. So as you are selecting the folder, you can see it is now empty. This is where we are going to create the site. You can see here it is written AAA driving school. This is it. And then now we paste here the prompt, and then you enter. So as you can see, it is typing here. It is typing here, creating the site. So you just wait for some few minutes as it is creating, or as it is doing its work. You just go to a browser, go to the browser, this is the browser, and then we go to our GitHub account. So the first thing, you should be having a GitHub account. For example, this one is mine. Yes, this is mine. Let's sign in. I hope you're seeing that, and I hope you are not going to hack me, you guys. So when we are here, we create a repository. The first thing you should create is a repository. So our repository is going to be named as AA driving school, new repository, and then you name it as AA driving school. Yes, this is it. You just create. Now we have the link to paste it on our repository, on our code, our VS code. Yes. So let's open this and see. Let's run this as a let's run this with the server. So you go to open with the live server and wait. So now let me show you. Let me show you where it has run. So let me add this. That is it. So I hope you can see this. This is our driving school, AA driving school. It is saying AA driving school, enroll, whatever. So we have done this just within 6 minutes so far. It is 6 minutes so far, and you can see it is having everything. You can customize this however you want. Maybe you want this form to submit to your email, you can create that. You see it has all the links. You can change the links of your socials. You can add the links of your socials. You can add the socials. You can add the link or the number to your WhatsApp. As now that is it. Because now that is it. We are now here. So we are going to copy this link from our GitHub and then we paste it on our what? On our VS Code. So you go to the terminal. Here's the terminal. I hope you can see this. This is the terminal. I don't know why it's yeah, there is it. And then you paste the link from your GitHub, the link to initialize your repository. That is it. So as you can see, it is writing everything. The first thing we are going to do is to add. So just say git add, git commit. These are commit 1, git push. So after doing that, you wait for some time until it is 100%. Yeah, that is it. It has gone. So now we are going back to our GitHub. Then you refresh this GitHub. Now you can see it is now available on our GitHub. So the first thing you are going to do is we are going to pages. We want to publish this, and then you go to pages, then you change this to main, and then you save. Is that visible? I hope that is okay. You click save and then you wait for some time, and as it is saving, you can go back to your browser and go to Vercel, where you are going to host this live. Vercel. So this is our Vercel account. Let me show you. This is it. I hope you can see. Let's wait for some time as it is loading. Yes, this is it. This is our Vercel, and this one also is still, it is still publishing. Let's refresh this and see. Not yet, not yet. Oh, this is it. Yeah, it is here now. So we are publishing it here so that we can see it on our Vercel account. So this is now live, but it is on our GitHub account. When we go to our Vercel account, we can go to add new project. We go to add new project, and then you wait. Now you can see here, it is here. It is visible here. You just import to Vercel. That is it, and then you deploy. So far we are at 11 minutes. 11 minutes. Here is where you are going to create a demo website which you can show to your client. Yes, before you customize it. So as you can see, it is deploying. You just wait for some time. Wait for some time as it is deploying. For some time as it is deploying. I don't know why it's, oh yeah, that is it. It has now finished. Congratulations, you just deployed a new project. Yeah, that is it. You just continue to dashboard. If you want to find a link to this site, now this is the link. This one, AA Driving School Vercel app. When you click to that, it will lead you to this site. You can now see it is now visible live. It's now live, and this is the site where you can copy this link and send to your client for verification. Meanwhile, as you customize as per their needs. So that is it, guys. You see, it is very simple. Under 15 minutes, you can create a website and deploy it and get to the link and see how your client is saying. So if you like this video, please consider liking, subscribe, and share. See you next time.